how much should you actually spend on a Gaggia Espresso machine? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Breville Barista Express. The Breville Barista Express espresso machine is a standout option that caught my attention right away. Priced at $689.99, it's not the cheapest, but if you want third-wave specialty coffee at home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why it's a game changer. The integrated precision conical burr grinder grinds on demand, delivering just the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter. This means you can enjoy your favorite roast with the perfect flavor every time. The low-pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure to ensure all flavors are evenly extracted, giving you a balanced cup. Plus, it has a PID temperature control that ensures your water is at the right temperature for optimal espresso extraction. Honestly, this matters because if your water is too hot or too cold, your coffee will taste off. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it's a bit bulky for their kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your coffee, that extra space is worth it for the quality you'll get. This is perfect for you if you're a coffee enthusiast looking to replicate cafe quality at home. Skip this one if you need something compact or don't want to invest in your coffee game. In terms of value for money, you're getting a top-notch machine that could easily replace your local barista. Now, if the price of the Barista Express seems a bit steep, the next one might surprise you with its affordability while still delivering quality.
Product number 2, Breville Bambino Espresso Machine, is another solid choice, priced at $298.99. It's compact but powerful, and if you want barista quality coffee without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This machine offers a 54mm portafilter that uses 19 grams for full flavor extraction, which means you can enjoy rich, robust coffee from the comfort of your home. The automatic steam wand textures milk to your preference, allowing you to achieve that perfect microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos. What's impressive is that it heats up in just 3 seconds, so you won't have to wait long to get your caffeine fix. Seriously, that fast heat up time is a game changer for those busy mornings. However, some users reported issues with the steam wand not being as powerful as expected. But here's the deal, if you're mostly brewing for yourself or just a couple of friends, it still gets the job done quite well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on flavor. Skip this one if you regularly entertain large groups and need a machine with more power. For its price, you're getting a high-quality machine that can deliver delicious coffee without the hefty price tag. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for someone who wants versatility.
Product number 3, Ninja Luxe Cafe. The Luxe Cafe Premier 3-in-1 espresso machine by Ninja is quite the treat, especially for those who love variety in their coffee. While it doesn't have a set price listed, it has been impressively popular, with over 2,000 units sold recently. If you want a multifunctional machine, this is worth a serious look. What makes it stand out is that it can brew espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew. This means you can make a double shot of espresso, a classic drip coffee, or a rapid cold brew without any guesswork. The integrated grinder with 25 settings ensures every brew is fresh and tailored to your taste. Plus, the hands-free frothing system takes the hassle out of creating the perfect microfoam for your drinks. It genuinely surprised me how easy it was to use. However, some users found the learning curve a bit steep, especially with all the features. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the flexibility it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a machine that can do it all and cater to different preferences. Skip this one if you only want espresso and nothing else. Considering its capabilities, it offers great value for the price, especially for a 3-in-1 machine. Now, if you're looking for something more traditional in espresso making, the next product might be your best bet.
Product number 4, DeLonghi Classic Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Classic Espresso Machine is a great choice for those who want simplicity and performance. Priced at $229.95, it's an affordable option that doesn't skimp on the essentials. If you want a solid machine to brew your espresso drinks without fancy bells and whistles, this is worth a serious look. This machine features a 15-bar Italian pump that ensures optimal extraction of flavors, making your lattes and cappuccinos taste great every time. The thermoblock technology allows it to reach the perfect brewing temperature quickly. Plus, the adjustable steam wand gives you control over the milk texture, which is fantastic for latte art. Here's why this matters. A proper steam wand makes all the difference in achieving that creamy, velvety texture. However, some users have noted that the milk frother can be a bit tricky to master. But honestly, with a little practice, you can get the hang of it and impress your friends with beautiful frothy drinks. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward machine that delivers quality espresso without unnecessary features. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced programming options. At this price point, you're really getting a solid machine that's easy to use. Now, if you're looking for something with more commercial features, the last one might catch your eye.
Product number 5, Gaggia E24 Espresso Machine. The Gaggia RI938046E24 Espresso Machine is a fantastic option for those who want a more professional setup at home, priced at $450.06. If you're serious about your espresso and want commercial-grade features, this is worth a serious look. This machine offers 9-bar espresso extraction using a stainless steel portafilter, which is standard in many cafes. The commercial steam wand allows you to froth milk like a pro, giving you that cafe experience at home. The solid steel housing is not just for show, it adds to the durability and longevity of the machine. This aspect genuinely impressed me as it feels sturdy and built to last. However, some users have mentioned that the machine can be a bit noisy during operation. But here's the thing, if you're focused on quality espresso, this minor inconvenience is usually worth it for the end result. This is perfect for you if you want a machine that mimics a cafe setup in your kitchen. Skip this one if noise levels are a significant concern for you. For its features, it's a great value compared to what you might pay at a coffee shop.
So, to wrap things up, we've looked at the Breville Barista Express for serious coffee lovers, the compact Breville Bambino for budget-conscious enthusiasts, the versatile Ninja Luxe Cafe for those who want it all, the straightforward DeLonghi Classic for simplicity, and finally, the Gaggia E24 for a more professional touch. No matter what you're looking for, there's a solid option here to help you brew the perfect espresso at home.